need to make what we call a gratitude jar. It's where you put things you're thankful for throughout the year. Like I have this example I made earlier. I'm grateful for pets. So you put it in the jar. And then at the end of the year, you'll take them out and put them in order. So today we're gonna make our own. You'll need a few supplies and you're going to need a jar like this. So let's start. I'm gonna take this green piece of paper. I'm gonna cut it. Just gonna rip it. And then I'm gonna write something on it, like we're thankful for or gratitude jar. It's fine if you get some holes in here. I couldn't fit the whole thing full, but it's fine. So then you're done with that. And you're gonna take some tape and tape it on. It's probably a bit too much, but I'm gonna hold this here. This is probably good enough, and then we've got this, which makes it a gratitude jar. And then I'm gonna get some stickers. So we have a fun gratitude jar. Stickers make everything better. You can choose where you put it, what stickers you use. Super fun. Any sticker is okay, like I just said. Sorry about that. So you're gonna stick it all around the jar. However you want. So it's a gratitude jar. Mine is like a safari animal themed, except for these little stickers. Okay, it's probably good enough for now. But it isn't a gratitude jar just yet because you're gonna need something in there. So I got some index cards and cut them in half so I could write something. And I'll write something like food. And you can draw a little picture of food or anything you like, and you fold it up and put it in your jar. Sometimes you'll need to empty your jar if you get like a bunch in here, but just make sure you keep these because at the end of the year you'll look in here. And bye guys, and make sure you subscribe so you find out when our new videos come out. We only have like 1 subscriber right now, but that's right now. We might not in the future, but please just make sure you subscribe. Bye guys.